In this guide, I'm going to show you how to get the Punk Sprite in Fortnite. This is Aiden from JustBoz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this, so we greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you do need to start a Battle Royale or Zero Build match, and just search for sprites while exploring the island and opening up really any sort of loot container. The main thing is obviously going to be chests, but of course you can get it from Sprite Chest as well. Now, this is a legendary sprite. As you can see, it's right there for me. So it is a little bit harder than the standard sprite to find, but what I would recommend is starting over at either Frosted Flats or Golden Grove and pushing into Frosted Flats after like the majority of the fighting has ended, because of course there is going to be a sprite vault within Frosted Flats, and you can just go ahead and use the key card to get into it. So obviously you do have to have that key card, but that is going to have some guaranteed chests, which is super convenient. But essentially, once you have it, you need to either use a portable extractor or make your way over to an extraction site and successfully extract it, which will add it permanently to your sprite collection. And after that, you can summon it in future matches using Sprite Dust. Now, the Punk Sprite has a random effect power, so it is like random every single time you use it. So sometimes it can be super good, sometimes it can't be as good, but that's the entire process. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.